Let me take you on a drive to the newest bridge in the metro, the BGC Ortigas Bridge. Hey guys, it's been a minute since my last video. I've been busy with work lately and I almost forgotten about my channel. Good thing the new BGC to Ortigas Bridge is now open to the public and I want to share with you and experience for myself the new access to and from BGC. Although the BGC off-ramp is not yet complete, the bridge from Pineda Pasig can now be used until Kalayaan Avenue in Makati. Thus, a new option for the city-goers to choose. I started my video on Pioneer Street, coming in from EDSA Pioneer Tunnel, and to go to the new bridge, turn right to Reliance, which is this street I'm on now. If you like my videos, please subscribe. It's free and it will help me a lot to produce more videos. Subscribe to my other channel, East Side Kicks, if you are interested about sneakers. Click the link in the description to subscribe. I'm now turning right to Brixton Street. Road widening construction is now in progress to accommodate the expected increase in traffic volume the bridge will bring. Now make a left to Fairlane Street and a few meters on your right will be the entryway to the new bridge. Today is June 13, a day after the Philippine Independence Day celebration, and the second day the bridge is open, at least for the southbound. But for the northbound, today is the first day that it is open. The bridge has a 4-lane road on it, 2 in each direction. The lane splits on the first off-ramp. The outer lane drops to Kalayaan and the inner lane goes straight to BGC. I'm going back to the Ortigas area and I will make U-turns on Kalayaan so that I can get back to where I came from. Just a few observations. I noticed that the lanes are a little narrow and it might not be able to accommodate bike lanes unless they eat up some of the outer lane. The bridge allows for pedestrians but only up until Kalayaan Avenue. We are now back at the end of the bridge. To go back to Pioneer, make a left to Fair Lane and right to Brixton, then left to Reliance Street. Where do you want me to go next? Write on the comment below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.